What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation, y'all. Today I am going to be detailing the bike, but right now, y'all, I'm powder coating. So I'm doing my tuner cup, and this is 3 colors, y'all. So this is my first time trying to do 3 colors, and it came out good, but this is my first time detailing the Harley, so I wanted to go ahead and kind of film it for y'all. Y'all see it's right over there, so I'm gonna give y'all a closer look at that just in a few. Hi y'all, so this is my neighbor's Harley that I'm going to be doing. So I was lucky that he trusted me enough to do his Harley. So he actually just picked this up not too long ago. It's a beautiful, like, I don't know, bluish green color. So I'm gonna be doing like a 2-step wax on it to get out some of the swirls. And I don't know if y'all can see some of the in the paint, but I'll be trying to get some of that out, get the chrome to shine a little bit more. Today is gonna be a little different, so y'all gotta clean stuff like this. All that's gonna be clean, but it's gonna be different from doing a car because I'm not gonna be using as much stuff. I'm gonna just be using my water hose to spray it. I'm gonna foam it down, but like with the water hose stuff to foam it down, and then to get in all the cracks and stuff, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this brush right here, and this one, like my wheel brush, to kind of get into the cracks and all that stuff. So first what I'm gonna do is spray it down with a tire cleaner. This stuff works pretty good, gets all the dirt, grimy stuff off. Spray it as good as I can, honestly. And see, you can already see it starting to work. Taking all that. So what I use is, I bought this up today quickly. I was out of tire cleaner, so I bought some McGuire's Hot Rims wheel and tire cleaner. Works good too. I used it on my G8. You can already kind of see like it's working. See all that, taking all that good stuff off. That's the stuff you don't want on there. I want the majority of it to come off whenever I spray it down with the rinse. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and start rinsing it down. Alright y'all, so I started washing it. All the areas that's kind of hard, like right here, using the wheel brush. Yep, it's coming up. Need to go get me another chemical, guys. Areas like this, I'm using a brush. I'll kind of get into there, kind of loosen up that dirt. So once I hit it with some more water, rinse the soap off, it'll come right off. My air compressor I used for the powder coating, but to use the air chuck to just kind of get all the excess. Dang, that was fail. Oh, I think I all the excess oil. Show y'all some of these swirls in the paint. Y'all see that? So I'll be trying to get most of that stuff out with some of the chemical guys product. You want to hold it and I just rev it a little bit. Alright y'all, so you'll see I got it in the garage, got my little 2-box open. The products that I'm using is, one doesn't have a label on it because I took the label off. I was gonna make a cup with it, but hold on. Alright, so first what I'm gonna be using is the Chemical Guys Scratch Swirl Remover, the VSS. This bike got a couple of, I don't know, like I said, I don't know if y'all can see if it'll show up on camera, but it has a couple of swirls and little scratches here and there. Nothing too bad, not really. So hopefully it'll get rid of the scratches and swirls. Well, most of them, that's what I'm hoping, to bring out the blue a little bit more. And then what I'm thinking of doing is, and then after I do that, so it's just gonna be this, that, this panel right here, the panel in the back, and then it has 2 panels inside the Grand Prix that I have to do also. I have to clean those. Once I do that, I'm gonna do the Chemical Guys, the ceramic wax. This is ceramic wax, just doesn't have the label on it. So I had to go pick my girl up. Say hey. Nope. Nope. You're gonna spread it with that. Spread it like that, and then you go to town. All right, y'all, so right away, like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is a big difference. So this is, see if I can get, this is where I didn't do it, and then the area that I did it. So on the camera, I'm gonna try to show y'all, but it's a big difference. On the other side, I'm gonna tape it off so I can show y'all better. All right, y'all, so sorry I'm apologizing for the baby music right now. Hopefully I don't get no trademark. I mean copyright, but I got my daughter with me right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, do the tank, and then when I get on the other side, y'all, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. I'm gonna actually put a piece of tape so y'all can see like day and night difference, side by side. What of a big difference this make? It actually gives it a deeper, brighter blue. So let me go ahead and finish up on this side, y'all, and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so come see Ella, come on. So y'all see right here how bad it is with all the scratches and swirls, and I put some tape down so y'all can see side by side what it looks like. So hopefully it shows up right in the camera. I'm about to go ahead and start doing this little part, and then I'm gonna do the side, and then I'm gonna try to do some of this. I may have to do this with the little sponge, and then that side panel over here I'm gonna do, and the front fender, and then I'll move on to the other side. Yeah, I put a piece of tape down to kind of show y'all the difference between what is not corrected and it is corrected. So it's a big difference that you can see. This side I didn't do, this side I did do, and even give the blue like a deeper. Now they still do have little scratches in there here and there that I guess the polish can't really take out. I probably need to do something heavier, but this will work for now. Hey y'all, so this bike has like a purplish tint to it. When the light hit it at when you hit it with the light at a certain angle, it looks purple too. But I like it, so I went ahead, I did the whole thing. I did the whole tank, the whole front end is done. Everything up here is done, the front. See a couple of watermarks. I'm gonna try to get those out. I'm gonna come over this spot one more time, and then I took the plastics on the side, also took those off where it covers up the fuses and the wires. I just need to do those, and then I'm about to do the cargo boxes that go on the side. Once I do those, that'll be it, and I can go ahead and start doing all the chrome. So I need this. I'm gonna hit this spot one more time to try to get some of these watermarks out. Great thing about having a garage, nighttime LED lights can still work on this thing. I'm finishing up. This is the last thing I got left, and then I'm gonna do the chrome. After I do the chrome, it's done. Hey y'all, so finally finished. About to go ahead and apply the ceramic wax on it. Get that on there. Once I get that on there, then I'm gonna start working on the chrome. Then I'm gonna clean these seats off, put some leather conditioner on it. Kind of rub it in there, so y'all see. Now I'm gonna do the top of this motor right here. I think that's the heads and all the, try to get all the chrome pieces, because that's one of the biggest factors on motorcycles is those chrome pieces, man. So I got a little bit of wax right here. Get that off. Hey y'all, so finished with the bike. Completely did all the chrome. The chrome is what took the longest, honestly. Chrome probably took longer than actually doing the wax. So as you see, I did the ceramic coat. So when you pour that water, watch that. Pour that water on it. I just, boom. It just beat away. That's it. Mug's already dry. So it's gonna be easier for when he clean it. I had him come back and go ahead and put the little, I don't know what you call it, storage. I'm gonna call it storage. I had him come back and he came and put that on, and just leaving the bike in here for overnight, which is totally fine. So I'm thinking about adding this as a service, you know, ATVs, bikes, stuff like all that good stuff that you normally, I really don't normally see anybody really cleaning. The only thing is, I would probably do drop off only for a little while, unless they had a garage to do the stuff in, especially if it's like a paint correction like I did with this one. This one made a, like, it looks like a whole, man, it looks so good. And so this is the very first bike that I've ever done. So I appreciate my neighbor for letting me test stuff out on his bike, because I've never done a bike before, so I really didn't know what to expect. What I'm gonna do is, y'all, I'm about to wrap this video up, so make sure, y'all, don't ever limit yourself, all right? Don't ever limit the stuff that you can do. Don't ever tell yourself that you can't do something because you can do it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. That'll be the end of this video. If y'all like this video, I do a little bit more videos like this. And so yeah, make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram gets to see everything that I do first, before I make whatever I'm making a video on. So make sure I go and do that. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. So boom, look to your left, look to your right. They got 2 more videos, y'all, for you to go and watch. So you know you want to go and watch one of those videos. You can either hit the left one, you can hit the right one. Go ahead and click on one of those. But before you click on one of those, click that subscribe button for me, all right? So I'll see y'all in the next video. I'll catch y'all on the next vibe.